Hello guys, welcome to Caleb's Culinary Corner, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make butter. So first step, you're going to need some heavy cream. It really does not matter the amount. And you are going to pour it in a stand mixer. But the more you have, the longer it's going to take for it to turn into butter. So I'm not going to do all of this. Now I have the heavy cream in there. I'm going to turn on my stand mixer and let the heavy cream mix up. But when it mixes up, it'll separate the butter from the fat, which is buttermilk. And then we will have butter. Okay, so now I've been mixing this up for about 25 minutes, and it's looked like this. All the butter is separated. All of this is butter that you see here. So I'm gonna take it out of there. Collect it all like that. And you gotta try to squeeze all of that juice out as much as you can. Just like so. Week and a half, maybe even 2, depending on how well you squeeze it out. So now I've squeezed out most of the juice. You see some's coming out still. So what I'm gonna do is just drop it in the ice bath that I have ready and make sure I didn't leave any butter behind. Even these little bits can be nice. Okay, there. Okay, now you see here, I have the butter in an ice bath. We're gonna rinse all of that milk, like buttermilk, out of there. The water that you have should not be clear anymore. It should be a little foggy, just like this. It's not clear water. I'm just gonna squeeze out all of that buttermilk and the water that's now in it out of there. So this is all the butter right here. So it's pretty much done. I'm going to leave it in this container for a bit and deal with that buttermilk. With the butter, you just salt it with a little bit of sea salt, and then shape it, and then you can put it in the fridge. Now with the buttermilk that you have left over, all of this, I get a strainer and a cup to put it in. So I'd get something like this and just pour all that buttermilk into there. I actually don't have that much. See, you have to get all that butter. This is all butter right here. And if you really wanted to, you could get that and do the same and save it, because this actually looks like a pretty good amount of butter that we have in here. Yeah, because you want to save as much butter as you possibly can. liquids out of there. And you see we have the butter and the buttermilk. So with the butter, we're gonna salt it now. Just a bit of salt. Just like that. And mix it up. I'm just gonna mix it up with a little butter knife. I'm just gonna mix it up with my hand. And now you have butter and buttermilk, all from Heavy Cream. This is a 1 pint bottle. I probably used about 3/4 of it. If you use the whole thing, you'll get a little bit more. This is probably about a stick of butter right here. This whole thing is probably about a stick of butter.